Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse.
And Michael from HiQ Greenhouses.
Oh, you're from Deb's today.
Oh, today I'm from Deb's.
Today
Wearing a
is from Deb's.
HiQ Greenhouses shirt.
No. Okay, so we're really excited. We are launching, after many requests, we are finally launching our spring workshops.
It is an exciting time.
It is. It's
Yeah.
so much fun.
Yeah, it's raining outside right now, and yet we still feel like spring. In the greenhouse, you can see behind us, look how much stuff is already planted.
Yeah, it's filling up.
Yeah.
So our workshops fill up fast too. We're going to talk a little bit about each workshop, and then you can get to our website and sign up for them. So our first one is going to be our herb planter workshop.
And what else do you get to do?
So we're going to make a herb pot. Now we have a variety of planters about this size. When you come to the workshop, we'll have a variety of planters laid out, and you get to choose at the workshop which planter you want to use for your house.
And like Debbie says, they're all about the same size,
Yeah, they're
soil
similar.
volume. Yeah, very
Yeah.
similar.
Yeah, and you get to use, I think, 5 herbs in this workshop, up to 5 herbs if you want. And you can have 2 the same if you have a favorite. So for this workshop, the herb workshop, you are going to make a herb planter and learn how to make herb butter.
Yes, how cool is that?
I know, remember we had some last year?
Oh, it's delicious.
So good,
Oh,
so
it was
good.
delicious.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
making...
and whoever attended that got to take some good information home.
That's right. So it is a super fun workshop. So look for that, our herb planter workshop. Lots of fun.
Yeah.
So part of our workshops this year, we are adding our strawberry basket. So this pot, you want to give it a turn?
Yeah.
Could be Vanna White tonight.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Give
So-
that a nice turn.
yeah. So last year, this basket was introduced at Deb's Greenhouse.
Yes.
And it was very successful.
Very popular. Here's a picture of how this strawberry planter looks fully grown. It is just swimming in strawberries.
Yes, you get a really good harvest of
Yeah.
strawberries off of these baskets.
This is a Ruby Ann strawberry, and so it's trailing, and the runners make fruit in the first season. So you do get a lot of berries off of these. But in this workshop, you're going to take an empty pot just like this and plant it with strawberries.
Right, like and it's a complex pot because these cups attach,
Mm-hmm.
and you know it's filled with soil, and then you get to learn how to plant in one of these cups because
right.
that is not as easy as it looks.
Yeah, it's a little more, it's not hard. We just have a strategy for it.
That's right.
And so for this planter, you could hang it, or you can not put the hanger on and have it as a planter on the ground.
Yeah, you buy it with
Yeah.
a hanger, but then of course it's your choice.
If you use a hanger or not
Yeah.
at home.
Yeah.
So for this workshop, when you make the strawberry planter, you take it home that night. So strawberries will do just fine in a sunny window. Keep it nice and well watered at home, and until it's warm enough to go outside, it'll do just fine in the sunny window in your house.
And it is. It can stand a few cool nights.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
strawberries are quite hardy.
Yeah, quite hardy. Not frost, but very cool nights. So
Yeah.
you can bring this out quite early. Maybe the same time as a pansy.
Yeah, I would say probably the end of April it could be
Yeah.
outside for good. Yeah.
Look how many strawberries are in this basket
I think 7. So there's
7.
6 pockets and 1 in the top.
on the top. So you're getting 7 plants
Yeah,
and a tall basket that can easily hold a lot of water
that's right.
and a lot of roots.
Yeah, so we're really excited to be offering new this year our strawberry planter workshop.
Yeah. This is a new one. This is you get to learn how to make a living wall planter that you can hang in your house. Up close, you could see here, the water goes in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a big reservoir in here that you can access easily, and then through holes in the divider,
Yeah.
it feeds the soil on the other side.
It can also be used outdoors.
Of course.
Yeah, so this is a living wall planter, and it hooks easily onto the wall. It's easy to hang that up at home. Again, it can go outside or it can go inside, and we would help you pick certain plants if it's going indoors, things that would do better in your house. Unless you want to put it outside, then we can help you design that as well.
And if you said, I want to hang it outside early, then Debbie and her team will explain which plants would go in that.
Yeah.
If you wanted to make a herb one, close to your kitchen window.
That's right.
All of those things are options. So you could make a herb planter as we described earlier, but you can also, there's nothing wrong with putting herbs in here and using them all summer long.
Yeah, or it'd be beautiful with begonias or something if you
Oh,
have a
yeah.
shady spot.
Yeah.
So for this workshop, the soil and the plants are included in the price of this total thing. So we can put a maximum of 5 plants in here. And so that is reflected in the price, and you get the container, soil, and the plants for the one price. This is a workshop that you will take it home the night that you make it.
Yeah. And again, you can hang this somewhere in your house quite easily by a sunny window. And then as soon as you dare, you can hang it outside,
That's
put
right.
it outside.
Yeah.
Enjoy it there all summer.
So this is new, our Living Wall Planter Workshop. We're very excited to be offering this year.
Yeah.
So a workshop that sold out so fast last year, and we're really excited to be bringing it back. We have these gigantic 24-inch moss planters.
Look how big that thing is. 24 inch. Debbie's gone completely.
It's it's a beautiful giant hanging basket. So when you sign up for this workshop, included in the cost is one of these baskets, the heavy duty hanger, the soil, and the plants to fill it. Now we do have a few limitations on the plants you can use. There's a couple of like big grasses that are excluded. They wouldn't do well in a hanging basket, but we explain that when you come.
Yeah, and the design team will help you create something that is beautiful.
Yeah.
And focus on this hanger. This hanger spins.
It swivels.
Yeah. So it's very sturdy when it comes to wind.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't twist or make a mess.
It is a heavy basket though, so you
It is
need a
heavy.
really good heavy duty hanger at home.
Yeah.
Or you can set the pot on a deck. It doesn't have to hang.
No.
You have the option during the workshop to plant some vines and things in the sides, or you can plant it all on top. We did this workshop last year, so if you attended last year and you already have one of these pots, you can sign up to come back, bring your basket and the chain with you,
Yeah.
or
Empty.
the hanger.
Yeah.
Yeah, please bring it empty.
Yeah.
We want it clean of soil. Bring it with you to the workshop, and you can see there's 2 spots on the website to either bring back your own basket if you attended before, or to purchase a brand new one here. Now there's limited space, so make sure you sign up right away.
Yeah. And this basket, does it stay here?
Yeah, this basket. So when you do this workshop, the price includes us holding it here until after May Long weekend, and we'll have you make an appointment in our booking schedule to make an appointment to pick that up after the long weekend. So we do hold on to these, let them fill in.
That's a huge bonus because, you would not want this kind of investment hanging out too early.
No, you definitely don't want to freeze it.
No.
We did have a few people that wanted to take it home early last year. They had greenhouses. That's totally fine, but then you are responsible for taking care of it.
Yeah. But otherwise, Debbie and her team will water it, make sure that it's in tip-top shape after the long weekend when you can take it home, and it's safe to take home.
So that's a really fun workshop. Sign up quickly for that because we will have a limited amount of pots. We have a brand new workshop for you guys this year.
Yes.
Yes.
Debbie has made so many videos when it comes to designing hanging baskets,
Yes.
showing you what goes in it. Wouldn't you love to learn how to do it yourself?
Yeah. So this year we're launching a workshop called Basket Days, where you can come to the greenhouse and you're going to make one of these 15-inch hanging baskets with us.
Yes.
Are you going to be here too, Michael?
I don't know.
I think you should.
Depending on which day it is.
I think whatever day it is, you should be available.
Well, let's see what happens.
I think that'll be fun. Anyone
No
vote
pressure.
for Michael to be here, let us know.
So this 15-inch hanging basket will have enough soil to last you all summer.
Mm-hmm.
The team will help you create a beautiful design. So bring your ideas. Tell us, it's going to be going to shade. Try to pick a spot before you come to the workshop.
That's right. Pick a spot.
Pick a spot, and then you can. Then we can help you much better when it comes to designing something for sun or shade or wind or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for this workshop, the price includes one 15-inch basket with the hanger. That also includes the disc in the bottom, just in case you don't,
The
just
disc,
if you didn't
because
know.
people never see the disc.
I know, they don't
But-
get to see it.
No, they never get to see it. But the disc is designed to create a little water reservoir at the bottom of the peat moss layer. So it helps you look after your basket and be more successful with just a simple disc.
Yeah, it holds quite a bit of water actually. So the cost of this workshop includes one brand new hanging basket, the soil to fill it, a scoop of slow release fertilizer, and then you get to choose the plants you want to put in it. So for this workshop, the cost includes one brand new hanging basket, a 15-inch, the soil to fill it, a scoop of fertilizer,
The disc.
the disc, and If you want, you can use any one of our dibble boards to press it to make your pattern. Most plants in the greenhouse will be fair game. There's just a few grasses and bananas that aren't appropriate for hanging basket that will be excluded from what you get to choose for this particular workshop. If you wanted to do an add-on, you could, but we like to do a workshop with one price. So this will give you exactly what you're looking for in a typical hanging basket.
That's right.
Yeah.
And do they have to take it home right away?
No. So for this workshop, and this is the first time we've ever done this, and I've had requests for this workshop for over 10 years. We are going to hang on to this basket until after May Long weekend. You will have to make an appointment on our scheduling app to pick it up so that we can have it ready for you. But we will hang on to this until after the long weekend.
That's right. That's a huge bonus because
right.
Debbie doesn't always do that. And of course, the greenhouses are full of
are.
all kinds of stuff.
We'll be squeezing them in.
Yeah,
we'll be
you're squeezing them in
Yeah.
and making sure that your basket gets the best possible start.
Yes. So for any of these workshops, please go to our website, debsgreenhouse.com, to sign up for them. They do sell out really quickly. But we want everyone to have a fair chance, so please go ahead and look now. So along with our basket days, we have a second option for our workshops.
This is a fiber basket, so
Yes.
it's made out of wood fiber. A wet slurry is made into these beautiful, natural-looking basket, and they're strong. Like these are multi-year. They won't decompose.
They're actually waxed so that they last a long time. Actually, you can see a spot of wax here. You would get 5 or 6 years regular use out of these before you need to replace it.
That's right. It also comes with a very sturdy hanger because it's such a big basket. There's huge soil volume here.
Yeah,
There's
you need it.
huge
You need a
advantage.
good heavy hanger on that. Yeah. So for this workshop, it's one price, and you get this 14-inch wax fiber basket with the hanger, soil to fill it, a scoop of our slow release fertilizer, and plants to fill it. So this, I think this is the best way to do workshops, is so that you know the cost. You're not going to be surprised with add-ons later on. We like everyone to know what they're paying and what they're getting. So, any questions, Michael?
Well, what can I put in here? Like anything?
You could. Well, I mean, we want you to come prepared. So, think about where you're going to put this. Is it going to be sunny? Is it going to be shady? Is it part sun? What time of day is the sun hitting this?
That's right.
So we can help you design like the best option for your space.
And do people have to take this home?
No, well, I mean, eventually you'll take it home.
Yes.
But in this workshop, just like our other Basket Days workshop, you get to leave this here if you want. So once in a while, people want to take things home, but you can leave it here. We'll grow it in the greenhouses, and then you can pick it up after May Long weekend, not before. We're very picky about that.
But if you've had the basket, you don't have to be worried that it's going to be sold out.
That's
Your
right.
basket
Your
is going to be
basket
here.
with your design.
Yes, and your name will be on it. So it'll be your basket, the one that you created personally.
Yeah. Well, and we can help you with the design. So it will include the plants as well. Now, there are a few plants that wouldn't be included in that price. Just a couple of like really big grasses that would overtake everything that wouldn't be appropriate for hanging baskets. So we'll let you know when you come which plants wouldn't be included in the plants that you could choose for this mix. So I think it's going to be fun. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
You're going to be here?
Well, it depends on when it is, and we can always see if that works out.
I think so. Okay, thanks guys. Bye for now.